to receive this recognition of the incredible role mothers play in our world on this day is something I will never, ever forget.
It's Henry McKean from Irish radio Newstalk. Jessie, Kerry, Killarney and Ireland are celebrating you being the first Irish woman to win in this Oscar category. And back home, as you said in your speech, it's Mother's Day, your first Mother's Day as a mum. Hamnet is about a mother's love and a mother's grief. How special does today feel?
It feels like some kind of crazy alchemy that all of these things are colliding on a day like today. My daughter got her first tooth this week. I woke up with her lying on my chest, snuggling me, and I feel like what a gift to get to, explore motherhood through this incredible mother that Agnes is and was, and then to become one myself, and then to receive this recognition of the incredible role